Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sea moss gel with bladderwrack and burdock root. First, take 1 cup of dried sea moss and rinse it very well under cool water to remove any debris. Then, place the cleaned sea moss, along with your bladderwrack and burdock root, into a large bowl. Cover these ingredients completely with filtered water and let them soak for 6 to 12 hours. This rehydrates them and prepares them for the next step. After soaking, drain your ingredients, but save about 1 cup of the soaking water just in case you need it later. Transfer the rehydrated sea moss, bladderwrack, and burdock root into a high-speed blender. Now, add 1 to 2 cups of fresh filtered water. You can also use the reserved soaking water if you prefer. This liquid is crucial for achieving a smooth, consistent gel. Now, blend the mixture on high speed for several minutes until it becomes completely smooth and creamy. You want to ensure there are no lumps or fibrous pieces remaining. If the mixture appears too thick to blend properly, add a little more filtered water, about 1/4 cup at a time, until you reach a thick, pourable gel consistency. Patience here ensures a perfect texture. Once your sea moss gel is perfectly smooth, carefully pour it into a clean, airtight glass jar. Store this jar in your refrigerator, where it will remain fresh for up to 3 weeks. To incorporate it into your routine, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons daily to your favorite smoothies, juices, or even stir it into oatmeal. It's a versatile addition to many dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.